While we're on the topic of process, I wanted to show you my YouTube upload strategy because I feel like YouTube is part of the reason why I get so many PR collaborations, because although I don't have a lot of followers on my TikTok or my Instagram, on YouTube there's so much visibility. So you might see all my platforms, but I have over 300,000 reach because of all of my platforms combined, and I think YouTube has a lot to do with it. So I would say don't sleep on YouTube. So I'm going to show you my strategy that I take on YouTube. So whenever I recorded TikTok, I edited on CapCut, and what I do is I'll start this folder. So right here, this one's labeled YouTube Shorts because this is where I upload all the videos that I've uploaded to TikTok and Instagram will go on this folder. And whenever I get a chance, then I'll go ahead and upload them here on YouTube. So these are all scheduled out, as you can see, November 1, 2 to October 31st. This is all going to be scheduled out. From here, I try to be strategic when I go to posting. So let's see, for this one's already on TikTok, but my YouTube family probably hasn't seen it. So this one's just my jewelry video. Actually, I don't think I've posted this one on TikTok yet. But here I put shop the jewelry, save my discount. So my link is on there. So I love YouTube because this one I feel like is the one that brings me money for LTK. So this one I link everything because that's the beauty of YouTube. You can link stuff right there. I don't have enough followers on TikTok, so I can't link stuff there. The next one is the I'm from Rice toner. So this link comes from LTK, which I find so helpful, because if you look here at LTK, this one's actually something else, but if you look at LTK, it'll tell you what percentage of commission you can get, so you can choose from. But I am strategic on this one. This is not the best example, but for example, let's say this one is 14% and this one is 10%. It's not, this is just an example, but this one is from a company that people don't normally buy from, and this 10% is from Walmart. So people feel safe buying from Walmart or Target, let's just say, for example. So I would probably choose this one even though the commission is smaller, because people will feel safer to buy from this company. So that's kind of my strategy for LTK. I love LTK because there's some products that are not linked on Amazon, so it won't let you link it on Amazon because it's just not there. But on LTK, it'll be there, and like I said, you can see what commission you'll get from it. You don't get commission from everything on Amazon, so that's kind of a bummer, but LTK tells you right there straight up what you will get. So that's the strategy that I have for YouTube. I just really like it as like a passive type of, I don't know, passive type. I'm super excited because I am at 990 subscribers. I'm so close to 1,000, which will mean that I can start, I think, ads or something like that, if, of course, when I get the views as well for my channel. But this is just an example right here. So I have 226K views. So when I was talking about the 300K reach, that's what I'm talking about. And so I just think that it's a really nice thing to not sleep on. Like these I've posted on TikTok, but I also repurpose them for YouTube. So you don't necessarily have to do something completely new for YouTube. You can just repurpose what you already have, even if you don't want to post long videos. I like to post long videos just because I do, because I feel like it's a different type of review. Like this one's a long review on shoes. This one's a long review on Camel Fitness, but it's just up to you. You can just post shorts, at least to begin with. But that's pretty much my strategy for YouTube. I hope this was enjoyable, and I hope that it helps you.